Picture a world where machines understand you better than ever, where the line between reality and sci-fi blurs and where technology is an extension of ourselves. You're not just imagining the future. This could be our reality in just 5 years. Fasten your seatbelts as we're about to embark on a journey into the future. A future shaped by advancements in the realm of artificial intelligence. We'll dive into various aspects, from the rise of large language models to the evolution of healthcare and the workplace, thanks to these cutting-edge systems. First on the docket are large language models, or LLMs. These digital marvels learn from vast amounts of text and code data, making them capable of tasks like text generation, language translation, and even creating unique content. Over the next 5 years, they will only grow more powerful and sophisticated. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can not only answer your queries, but also engage you in complex philosophical discussions or even write a compelling screenplay. The implications are enormous and truly transformative. The world of AI is abuzz with the concept of AGI, a system that equals human intelligence, comprehends, learns, adapts, and could even have consciousness. The road to AGI is long and winding, but we are making steady progress, and within years, a self-aware, adaptable system may cease to be science fiction. Another exciting frontier is healthcare. AI stands to revolutionize diagnostics, patient care, and treatment methods. The medical field stands on the cusp of a revolution, ushered in by these advanced systems. Just imagine devices capable of diagnosing diseases with an accuracy previously unseen, operating tirelessly to ensure early detection and prompt treatment. Now, picture AI-powered chatbots that could provide personalized medical advice, revolutionizing patient care as we know it. Switching scenes, let's look at our workspaces. We're seeing a shift here too, as companies employ these systems to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and foster better decision-making. In the next half-decade, these implementations will become the norm rather than the exception. Imagine a future where robots take over dangerous tasks, ensuring human safety. Visualize AI-driven assistants that help streamline work and enhance productivity. The workplace of tomorrow will likely be shaped by artificial intelligence. Art and creativity are no longer solely human domains. AI is creating breathtaking images, composing music, and contributing to various art forms. Fast forward 5 years and we might see art galleries filled with AI-created masterpieces or attend concerts featuring symphonies composed by these systems. The bounds of creativity are truly being pushed. From developing new medications to optimizing traffic, AI's ability to solve complex problems is unparalleled. The next frontier? Tackling global issues like climate change and world hunger. Given the speed at which these technologies are advancing, the next 5 years could witness some monumental breakthroughs. The beauty of artificial intelligence lies in its ability to learn and adapt. Future AIs will watch, learn, and evolve, gaining intelligence and capability with each iteration. This adaptability will open doors to applications we can only dream of today. The horizon of the next 5 years holds untold possibilities. These advanced computational systems will weave themselves deeper into our lives, influencing how we work, learn, communicate, and create. AI's impact is already tangible in our everyday lives, but the next 5 years will witness this technology leaping forward in unprecedented ways. Picture AI in the form of teachers, companions, artists, analysts, problem solvers, and much more. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI advances, so does the need for careful considerations around ethics, privacy, and societal impact. The dialogue around ethics will be of paramount importance in the coming years. Automation will reach new heights as AI-powered robots become more sophisticated. From doing risky jobs in industries to performing precise operations in healthcare, these robots will reshape the way we think about manual work. And let's not forget about the final frontier, space. AI will help us understand the cosmos better, making space exploration more effective and safe. From navigating spacecraft to analyzing interstellar data, artificial intelligence will be our ally in the quest to understand our universe. Half a decade from now, we might not even remember what it was like not to have these advanced systems at our disposal, such as the transformative potential they hold. Imagine waking up to a world where your house knows your morning routine, your car drives you to work, and your office is powered by an intelligent system that knows your work habits better than you do. The next generation will grow up entwined with this technology. Picture a world where your children learn from personalized AI tutors, where your groceries are managed by your smart fridge, and your entertainment is a unique blend of your tastes, created by an intelligent system. It may seem overwhelming, but this is the world we're heading towards. A world powered by intelligent systems, shaped by human ingenuity. In summary, the next 5 years promise a revolution led by these advanced digital companions. They are set to redefine boundaries and break new ground, leading us into an era marked by innovation and progress. We stand on the precipice of a new era, an era where AI will define the course of our development. The future is not just coming, it's here, being written and rewritten with each breakthrough in AI. As we conclude our journey today, remember this: we are not passive observers of this future. We are the creators, the explorers, the pioneers. The future is ours to shape. It's a narrative of human ingenuity and limitless potential. But we want to hear from you. How do you see this technology in 5 years? When do you think we'll achieve AGI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the future and want to stay updated with the latest in artificial intelligence, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. As we sail into this brave new world, we embark on the greatest adventure of our times. Stay curious, stay excited, for the best is yet to come. Remember, the future isn't written in stone. It's coded in algorithms. See you in the future.